Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to connect Razorpay to ActiveCampaign using Zapier. This will help you to be able to focus more on your business while everything is running in the background. So you want to start by logging into Zapier and creating a new Zap. So once you're in the editor, you're going to select Razorpay as your trigger. Let's do that. So Razorpay. There we go. All right, so for our trigger event, we can choose, we can choose payment capture. And this way, every time a payment is captured on Razorpay, it'll trigger an automation in ActiveCampaign. And for the action, we're going to choose ActiveCampaign. There we go. And then for the event, we can select subscribe or unsubscribe contact from list. You can also tag them based on the product they purchase or even send an automated follow-up email thanking them for their order. All right, so remember to sign in to both your Razorpay and ActiveCampaign accounts, and then you can map out what happens next. So, all right, so you can go ahead and run the test to see if it's successful. And then if it is, you can go ahead and turn the Zap on. As you can see, Zapier makes it super simple to customize these actions without needing to write any code. So once you're set up, this integration runs on autopilot, ensuring every payment in Razorpay triggers a corresponding action in ActiveCampaign. And of course, if you're new to ActiveCampaign, you can get started with a free trial by clicking the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.